Hi there, welcome to Roll. Tristan's my name. Today what I want to do is take you through advanced custom fields and what we can do with custom fields now that we've got some set up. So in this example, what we're looking at here is our project listings view. So this is showing us the projects that we've got going on in Roll at this stage. And up here we have got a number of different field names and they're ordered in a structured way. And what I want to do is take one of our custom fields that we set up earlier, and I actually want to make it, it's a piece of important information for me, so I want to make it visible on our main project listing screen. So let's just have a look at a project that I set up earlier, and I've set up a number of custom fields for this project. We've got preferred start date for the project. We've got the branch, so that's the branch that is working on this project. And then on the right hand side in zone 2, we've got health and safety info received, yes or no, contract signed, yes or no. And what I want to do is, or for this business, branch is actually really important for me. I want to see branch on our project listing screen here, so that I can see when I quickly scan down my projects what branch is actively working on that project. So how do we do that? Well, it's pretty easy. If we go to, I've just got a settings open in another tab, and in zone 1 we're on our project fields. We can do this with client fields as well, but on project custom fields we've got the two custom fields that I've set up earlier, and here's that branch one. So if I click these 3 dots here on the right hand side, we can edit this custom field. Now, all of this information was set up previously, but at the bottom I've got this little tick box where we can show the field in the table list view, and if I tick that, a few things happen. So let's see what that will do. So if I go update and now come back to our project listings screen and refresh that, we should see branch appear somewhere up here. And there it is. On the right hand side, we're now showing the branch. So I can quickly scan through the projects and see which branch is working on each project. Now, what else that does is it now also makes that custom field appear as a filter that we can use in our quick filters. So if I click on more filters up here, we get this drop down which shows us a whole bunch of filters that we can use to actually narrow down the views that we have on our project listings. And we can see here now that branch appears as a filter in our more filters. So what I want to do is I want to search or refine the filtering so that I'm only showing projects where the Sydney is the branch that is selected. And if I apply that, the project listing down here will refine to only show me projects where Sydney is the branch that is involved in that project. So fantastic. It's given me the ability to refine this view to really filter down and see just the important things that I'm wanting to see based on the custom fields that I've set up. What I can also do here is I'll just save this as a quick filter, just in case you didn't know that this was available. So let's go Sydney projects only. Save that as a quick filter, suck that up, and let's just go. Let's refresh that. So now I've got back to showing all my projects, and if I click on that quick filter, I only want to see Sydney projects. Click on that, and my views have changed, and I'm just showing the projects that our Sydney branch is working on. So really, really good, and really nice that it's available in our filters as well. Now, last little trick. We might have a look at this and go, well, actually, it's great having that information up there, but I actually want to reorder this so it makes better sense for me. And in this case, I want to see our team on the far right hand side, so the team that are working on this project. So how do we do that? Okay, let's go back to our settings. If we go into general, and we have got project table columns, and we can also do this with client table columns as well. Click on, we're going to just focus on the project table columns for this example, but here we've got a listing of all of the columns and fields that we're using, and here we've got team, and we just want to pick it up and drag and drop it underneath branch. And we can also do other things here. We can take information out of here that we may not want to see. So let's have a look. We might want to take build out of there, so we can do that. And hopefully now we've got remove build, and we've also got team on the right hand side. So let's flick back to our project listing screen. We're now showing team here, and we're showing the build column as well. If I refresh that, we're now missing build, that's been taken out, and we've got team on the right hand side. So we've effectively reordered all of the information on our project listing screen to an order that makes better sense for this business. So that's what you can do with some of the advanced things that you can do with custom filters, and also how you can reorder the columns on your project listing screen and client listing screen. So hopefully that's helpful. Don't forget to check out our other videos on our channel, and thanks for watching this, and I'll talk to you again soon.